Well, this is the workshop. When you come in the door, here's the classroom. And on the other side of the line is the HVAC lab, or what's going to be the HVAC lab. Some oil burner training benches. You don't look at that. Some more oil burner training benches. It's a really big workshop. All kinds of items. Some furnaces. Pipe thread machine. Bunch of junk over here. Blowers. This thing, like, what do I need that for? I don't know. Some furnaces. Natural gas. We got another threader. Some more furnaces. This one's oil. Boilers. We have 1, 2, 3 oil burners. Random condensing unit in the middle of nowhere. Oil tank. Water heater. All kinds of stuff. Tankless coils. There's a lot of stuff in here. We got rid of some stuff already because there was just too much junk. We got some mystery bucket of who knows. Yeah. We got plenty of pipe storage. Weed whackers. Boat engine. I don't know what we're supposed to do with that. We got the bench grinders, tool chest. There's actually tools in it, so that's interesting. All kinds of stuff. Big workbench, iron working tables. There's a stomp shear. I think there's another stomp shear. Yeah, there's another stomp shear over there. And we got the brake that needs some help. Yeah. Roller. All kinds of goodies. Oh, look at that, another threader. So we got 3 threaders. What do we need 3 for? Pretty cool. We got super tall ceilings in half the shop, low ceilings in the rest of the shop. All right, and there's the classroom again. We got a garage. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, classroom. Some storage lockers in the back if students want to change their clothes before class. There's a parts room. Over there, there's another parts room, and over here we have a bathroom. And here's the instructor's desk. And that's it.